लॉकअप में लेके जाइए। परमिशन इज फॉर मैरिज, नॉट फॉर मैरिज बियॉन्ड 10 PM। ओके, यू पीपल आर एजुकेटेड। पूरे दिन भर प्रचार हो रहा है यहाँ पे। पानी कर चलो बाहर निकलो सभी लोग, बाहर निकलो। बैंड बाजा बाहर। पुलिस कहाँ है? मास्क बाहर बोलो। पहले बाहर निकलिए, आउट। चलो बाहर निकलो। Arrest him! I'm telling you, arrest this guy. No, he will be arrested. You will also be along with it. You people have violated government order willfully. Arrest him. इसको arrest करिए. इसको arrest करो, जेल में डालो. डालो इसको. ए, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? रुको. रुको इधर आओ. इधर आओ. इधर आओ. Come here. What is your name? What is your name? हाँ? What is your name? जाओ, कैमरा लेके आओ. लेके आओ. इसका तो चेहरा दिखना चाहिए अगर चला तो. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? बताओ. इसको फॉर ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग पब्लिक सर्वेंट ऑन ड्यूटी अरेस्टेड. अरेस्टेड. दिस गाय हैज टू बी अरेस्टेड. यू विल आल्सो बी अरेस्टेड along with him. नो. व्हाट इज योर नेम? इसको अरेस्ट करिए. नाम बोलो. नाम बोलो. नाम बोलो. नाम बोलिए. मास्क नहीं है. 10 बजे के बाद कर्फ्यू है यहाँ. किसने परमिशन दिया आपको? लोग अरेस्ट करिए सभी लोगों को. अभी लेके जाइए.
हम लोग पहने हुए हैं सर.
अरे मास्क के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हम. इनको अरेस्ट करिए. परमिशन इज टिल 10 PM. अरे सेम ऑल्सो. अरे सेम ऑल्सो. अरे दिस लेडी ऑल्सो. 11:30 This is all nonsense. Okay? This is all nonsense you are talking about. Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy also. इन सबको अरेस्ट करिए. लेकिन चलिए आप लोग.
The timing.
What time is the night curfew?
Night curfew is 10, but if the auspicious time is 11, then what can we do?
Then you do at your home, inside your room, not in a marriage hall. You please read 144 order carefully. You seem to be an educated man. Don't talk like a bloody villager, uneducated person.
Sir, don't talk to me like this. I'm a surgeon. Okay.
You catch hold of this guy, obstructing public servant on duty.
So what?
Catch hold of him. कौन है? लाइए. Hey, सरोज.
My sister's married.
इधर हो. That's why you are violating. You should be arrested first of all. No. This guy, he is obstructing district magistrate on duty. Arrest him.
No, sir. We are not of.
Arrest him. 353. Arrest him.
Sir, we are
I
not
am filing a complaint. Arrest him. Arrest him. Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy. Take him to lockup right now. Take him. Take him to lockup right now. Take him to lockup right now. Tomorrow onwards, Manikya Court and the Gulab Bagan are banned. They will not be allowed to function for next 1 year as marriage halls. All these people who are assembled here, they have violated the order under section 144 Criminal Procedure Code, and they will be prosecuted under 188 of Indian Penal Code. They will all be arrested right now. And I will also recommend to the government to suspend OC of the West Agartala Police Station because he has not acted upon repeated complaints of people. And I, as a district magistrate, have to come here. It is very shameful on the part of the police that they have behaved like this. So how many people were arrested? Now they will count. कितने लोग इधर? काउंट करके बोलो. ओसी तो कल मैं सस्पेंड करा रहा हूँ. तुम लोग जो काम कर रहे हो ना, अभी काउंट कर बोलो कितने हैं. चलो, वरना तुम भी जाओगे उसके साथ. चलो.
नहीं हूँ मैं सर, वो आ रहा है.
तुम जो भी हो काउंट करके बोलो. आई एम ब्लडी योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट. ओके, व्हाट इज योर नेम? तुम भी जाओगे उसके साथ. तुम लोग सारे ब्लडी, you all are hand in gloves with these people. Count and tell me. This is my command as a district magistrate. Count.